Hello again. I will tell you about the final stages of this painting. You use the dry brush technique with Prussian blue on the left side trees. Then you let it dry. After that you use this dry brush technique with cobalt turquoise between the trees on the left side. And finally you paint Payne's gray between the stones on the shadow areas. If you want to, you can use white ink for the areas on the stones where the lightest light hit to get some highlights. Between the stones that are closest to the water, I just painted some darker strokes. I didn't make the whole area between those stones dark, just a few lines. This way it feels like this water is floating in between the stones, the top stones. I hope you enjoyed following this work in progress of this painting, and I hope you will want to follow more paintings. So subscribe for this channel so you don't miss out anything. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.